Hey guys, you've probably already seen this kind of coffee drink all over the internet. It only takes 5 minutes to make and it's delicious. You need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I've tried to use the instant coffee comes in a sachet and it didn't work. So here make sure you use the instant granule black coffee. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Last but not least, 2 tablespoons of warm water. Basically 2 tablespoons of everything. Mix it well, and now we're going to use the electric hand mixture to whisk everything till it's foamy. The process takes about 2 minutes. Keep on mixing till you get this rich, creamy consistency. Pour a glass of milk of your choice, and then layer the coffee foam on top.